Roblox won't install. What do we do? So the fix is actually super simple. You want to open up your computer search engine and here search for Windows Security and open up this application. So right here we want to select the first option, which is virus and threat protection, and then go to manage settings. So real-time protection, we wanna temporarily turn this off. So click on the slider, click on yes, and it will temporarily be turned off. Now another thing that we need to change is from the firewall and network protection. You wanna go to public network and then Microsoft Defender Firewall and turn this off as well. So after you have turned these two things off, you wanna install your Roblox app as per usual, and then what's really important is that you repeat these steps, but you turn them on. So you turn this on and then you go back to virus and threat protection, and then you go to manage settings, and then you turn this on as well after you have installed your Roblox. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.